Today, I'm excited to share an innovative project that merges artificial intelligence with personalized teaching support. Chemiacoach. This AI-powered chatbot was developed to guide the Ibdp chemistry students through internal assessment, or IA, with structure, clarity, and confidence. Over the next few minutes, I will walk you through the problem, our solution, the results of our pilot study, and what comes next. By the end, I hope you'll see how this tool can elevate the IA experience for students and educators.
This innovation aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. It supports goal number 4 by enhancing the quality and accessibility of education through personalized, skill-based learning. It advances goal 9 by integrating responsible and scalable AI technology to improve educational infrastructure. And it promotes goal 10 by ensuring equal academic supports for all learners regardless of their background. Together, these elements drive meaningful changes in how we teach and learn and innovate.
The Ibdp Chemistry IA is a significant component of the diploma program, contributing to 20% of students' final grade. It challenges students to independently investigate a scientific question using experimental or secondary data methods. However, in practice, this process often reveals systemic struggles. Students often say, I don't know how to choose a good topic. My research question is too broad or vague. I'm confused how to define the variables. What exactly does the rubric expect? Teachers, on the other hand, spend hours repeating the same clarification. Please refine your RQ. What's your independent variable? Your method isn't reproducible. These challenges impact learning quality and increase teacher workload. The need for scalable, high-quality support was clear. In response, we developed Chemiacoach, a custom-built AI chatbot using the ChatGPT API. Unlike a generic chatbot, Chemiacoach was trained to align with the official IB Chemistry IA criteria and designed to provide structured inquiry-based support. Chemiacoach helps students brainstorm original focus IA topics, write clearly defined testable research questions, identify independent, dependent and controlled variables, design realistic methods appropriate for school lab conditions, consider safety, feasibility and ethics, analyze data, identify uncertainties and interpret results, write conclusions linked to the theory and reflect critically in the evaluation. It prompts students step by step with scaffolded guidance in making the type of support a teacher would give in a one-on-one session, only now is available 24/7. Our methodology followed a 4-stage process. We first developed a custom GPT using ChatGPT, aligned precisely with IB Chemistry IA rubric and inquiry-based learning framework. Next, we ran a pilot study with 15 Ibdp chemistry students who used Chemiacoach to plan their IAs, formulate research questions and design experiments. As students progressed, we collected feedback, compared their IA drafts using rubric scores, and recorded teacher observations on common issues and improvement. Finally, we measured impact on students' confidence, IA quality, and teacher workload using a structured Likert scale and performance tracking. This stepwise process helps us ensure consistency, relevance, and validity in evaluating Chemiacoach's educational value. Here are the highlights of our results. 93% of students reported better clarity on how to plan and structure their IA. Students' average IA scores improved by 1.4 to 1.6 points, rising across all key criteria from around 3 to over 4.5 in area like research design, data analysis, conclusion, and evaluation. Teacher also benefited. A 40% reduction in workload was recorded during IA planning stages due to fewer repeated feedback cycles. One student summed it up perfectly. It's like having a teacher by your side anytime, anywhere who understands IB. These results show that Chemiacoach not only improves students' performance and confidence, but also makes formative assessment more efficient and accessible for educators. Our next phase includes 3 core developments inspired by student and teacher needs. First, we will develop this project into a mobile app to give students easier access to Chemiacoach and help them master chemistry in a more interactive and personalized way. Next, we plan to create a teacher dashboard with data insights to help educators monitor students' progress, common struggles, and feedback usage trend. Finally, we plan to expand into other sciences, adapting Chemiacoach for IB biology, physics, and potentially other inquiry-based subjects. These plans aim to enhance both students' learning and teacher efficiency while keeping the tool scalable, user-friendly, and aligned with IB philosophy. In conclusion, Chemiacoach represents a powerful ethical application of AI in education. It supports student independence, fosters deeper understanding, and lightens the feedback burden on teachers. This tool is not meant to replace educators, but to extend their role, especially in large and diverse classrooms. It's a model of how emerging technologies can serve educational values through clarity,